Hello, welcome back to Red Ted Art. We're going to be making revision notebooks for English, writing, maths, art. They're really easy notebooks to make. They're probably the simplest ones we've made to date, but they've got less pages, but they're super easy and you can make loads and loads. My daughter's done some, for example, for her piano music lessons, and she decorates them with music instruments and stuff like that. So you can just decorate depending on the subject you're going to be using them for. So come on, without further ado, let's take a look and see how they're made. So you need a sheet of paper, any size, and the resulting book will just be different. So it really depends on what size you want. Let's use an A4 sheet of paper and fold it lengthwise and in half. Make a neat crease. Open it. And now fold it across its width. Again in half. And make a neat crease. Now I'm going to fold this up. It's easier if you fold it up because then you have the creases in the right directions later. So I'm folding this up, I'm flipping it over, and again I'm going to fold this over. Unfold these two flaps, take your scissors and cut from here to here. Now I'm going to open it up again, fold it again lengthwise, and now I'm going to push it together. With the right creases in the right place, all you now need to do is fold them over and your mini notebook is finished. So now to make some more and then to go and decorate. So I've now made my notebooks, it's time to decorate them. I'm going to do this bit sped up, but you can watch me decorate each one on a time loop, or whatever it's called. Anyway, let's take a look and see how I decorate these notebooks. So here they are. What do you think? A different notebook for a different subject when you're doing your revision. Aren't they adorable? As per usual, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and I'd love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.